Hey, this is Michael at Serr.biz, and I just want to show you some SEO results that we've gotten recently for Atlantic pressure washers. We made some videos for them related to boat pressure washing, and there were two-part series. We optimized them, etc. And now if you search boat pressure washer review and enter, you will find their video right there in the top 10. Now what's interesting here is that had 18 million different pages competing for results. So I think that's a pretty good solid result for spending some money on making a couple videos. Wouldn't you agree? If you do, give Serr.biz a call, and we can talk about how we can improve your search engine optimization with video marketing on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Vimeo. All right, give us a call. Bye.